Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 3-setting shower head. Here it is. Very nice. All metal. And it comes with all of the necessary tools that you will need. There's that part. And the extra long hose fixture. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed, and then we will see how good the water pressure is and how great all of these extendable arms are and detachable everything. We will see how good the shower head is. Here is the shower head installed. Looks very nice. It was super easy to install. You just have to go up there where the shower head can be replaced, twist it off, and put some Teflon tape and twist this one back on, and it works perfect. So it has a few different modes as well. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. Here is one mode. This is the regular waterfall mode. Very nice, strong. Here is a mist mode. Here's a jet. So this works great. This is a great addition to my bathroom. This is a total upgrade. And of course the removable top as well, so that you can go ahead and wash your body. And if you have a child, it works really well to use it in the tub as well. So super happy with this product. Got that good metal right there.